Welcome to the multiplication course. My name is Steve Wyborny, and this is the Chapter 12 preview, so you can see what to expect in Chapter 12. The first lesson in Chapter 12 is 6 times 8 is more than simply 48. You'll see how these numbers are connected in many ways, and you'll see some very important relationships as we begin the chapter. You will also make some more number concept maps, which will include important ideas about multiplication and different ways we can picture multiplication. Next is the visual question mix for this chapter. The questions are all pictures, and you get to decide how much time you spend on each one by using the pause button. There are 4 different styles of questions, and they become more advanced in each chapter. Then you'll examine 3 new structures. This is one of them, and you'll have the opportunity to discuss how you see each structure. For example, you may see ways to think about groups and arrays to begin to find the total. There are many different ways to think about this structure, so this will be a great opportunity to talk about math, to tell others what you see, and to listen to their ideas. They may see it in a completely different way, which is important and can lead to insightful discussions. In the next lesson, you'll see the mystery shape for this chapter. The challenge is to see it in more than one way and to represent your ideas by writing mathematical expressions that match what you see. For example, if you saw this as 2 groups on the sides and 1 group on the bottom, what equation could you use to represent this picture? Of course, you can see this in many different ways, so you can write many different expressions, and then you'll be able to think deeply about how those expressions are connected to each other. After the mystery shape, it will be time to draw. I'll teach you how to draw the mystery shape for this chapter. We'll go through it step by step, and you will learn how to draw this 3-dimensional structure. After the 3-dimensional drawing, we'll move to the multiplication tile challenges. You'll see a puzzle like this, you'll see the clue, then you'll see me set the clue on the puzzle for a moment. Then it will be your turn to use multiplication thinking to solve the puzzle. There are 3 new tile challenges in every chapter, and in every chapter they become more advanced. After the tile challenges, you'll return to your second set of cards, and you'll use them to think deeply about important connections and ideas. You will learn more facts, and you will have a chance to search for new connections and ideas. The final lesson is the multiplication motion challenge for this chapter. This challenge focuses on the relationships between the numbers 48, 8, and 6. Get ready to show many relationships and many connections as you move the pieces around in the multiplication motion challenge. This is the Chapter 12 preview to give you an idea of what you will be learning in this chapter. Let's begin.